Now watch, it's gonna jump way over there.
Oh,
Video, and you can get them jumping.
I am. There's a lot of them.
It's a monkey train.
That one's struggling.
It's kind of cool, huh?
That's super cool.
Look how high they are.
Look, here comes the last one. It's moving really slow.
I hope it makes it.
I hope it doesn't. And then I get to go hold it.
With its broken leg.
Yeah. Look, it's scared.
Like, oh, I don't know, fellas. You see him wave that one?
Yeah.
He's like, hey.
Oh, he figured it out.